So I also wanted to talk about something that not a lot of people do talk about, which is food insecurity. And everyone's showing pictures about all this abundant food that they're going to have, and this masses and masses of food. And while I always grew up with like decent Thanksgivings, I didn't always grow up, and even into my young adulthood, with a lot of excess food. And so Thanksgiving can be especially traumatic for you if you have food insecurity, because it's this one big day of feasting, and maybe you have some leftovers, and your fridge looks pretty packed because someone sent you home with something and you had all this, and then afterwards it's really empty and you're reminded of all the stuff that you don't have. And so my heart just goes out to you if you're trying to practice intuitive eating, you're dealing with food insecurity. Just don't let this holiday overwhelm you. And remember, there's Salvation Army, there's church kitchens, there's donation places. You don't have to do this alone.